Tired of trouble connecting? Engaging with the chat not going like you planned? Not even sure how a computer really works? Well, have I got a solution for you. Hey, I'm Community Kyle, and here at Full Sail Armada we believe that no gamer should be left behind, even the ones that are really bad at it. Here, take a listen to this. Wow! That's right, folks, Armada Stream Tips. With your copy of Armada Stream Tips, you'll unlock everything you've ever wanted to know, and maybe more. Achievement unlocked. With tips from pros like Dammit Bennett, Hoyt Dingus, Jameson Doral, DJ Knight, your favorite Armada athletes, and more. So stop fumbling in front of the computer and try Armada's Stream Tips, a super handy guide to streaming for kids who don't stream well. Now available for the low price of logging on to fullsailarmada.gg. Get yours today. Call 1-800-HEY-ARMADA, I think I'm streaming, but I'm not really sure, please help. Again, that's 1-800-HEY-ARMADA, I think I'm streaming, but I'm not really sure, please help. Armada Stream Tips is not liable for big bad losses, trolls, and chat, or the side effects of extreme tilting. Call now!